and we're tracking the vaccine tonight. The Urban League is partnering with both Prisma and Bon Secours to bring up-to-date information to the community in settings that may be more comfortable to have these important conversations.
Now, next week's conversation is with Bon Secours and local clergy in the area. Fox Carolina's Amber Worthy has more.
This will be a second conversation with another hospital system on the topic, and they say that they won't stop talking about it until everyone who will listen is educated on this very important discussion. These numbers show that the number of minorities that have been vaccinated is low. This is DHEC's COVID-19 vaccination dashboard. The Urban League says they understand all too well why certain communities are still hesitant. Stories of the Tuskegee trials have been passed down for generations in the Black community.
And not necessarily receiving true vaccinations, but they were placebos and just water. And, those things are real. And when you have a community that has lived experience with things that are negative, even within the healthcare system.
But they are working with both Prisma and Bon Secours to change that narrative. Advocacy and education, but also talking about the economic barriers that some face.
In our community, not some third world country, but our community that don't have a primary health physician, but utilize the emergency room or utilize MD 360 as their primary care, it shows some distrust. And even maybe lack of access.
They are using their relationships with local spiritual leaders to facilitate these conversations.
Not only speaking as a pastor, but just a community volunteer, I know that we utilize the pulpit for not only giving spiritual inspiration, but also giving things that will help us socially.
And just like they passed out face coverings, they say that these conversations are a continuation of their efforts to keep people safe. Now, 1 week from today, they are hosting that discussion virtually from 1:30 to 2:30. And Bon Secours leadership is also meeting with leaders of color next week as well. For now, reporting in Greenville, Amber Worthy for Fox Carolina News.